can't stop!
Ah!
Luka, I'm scared! Oh no! The Flovers are destroyed!
Mr. Barnes will catch us.
I'm scared, Luka. We have to go!
No, I think someone needs help.
What are you doing here?
We are so sorry!
A few hours earlier. That morning, Luka and Lucy were riding a bike happily around the neighborhood.
Look, Luka, the weather is beautiful today.
Yes! Riding a bike is very fun.
Wow! These flowers are amazing! Come here, let's take a picture. Lucy, ready?
Say cheese!
This picture is so pretty!
Hey! You two! Keep quiet. Stay away from the garden. You are too loud.
We are sorry, Mr. Barnes. We did not mean to be loud. Let's go, Lucy. He is the scariest neighbor ever. He really is.
Good morning, kids. Is the trip fun?
Huh?
Not fun, Dad. Mr. Barnes shouted at us. He is very scary. He hates kids.
I just baked an apple cake. Do you want to bring some to him?
No, Mom. I am very scared.
Kids, don't hate him so quickly. Maybe he has his own story. Don't judge someone before you know their story.
In the afternoon, they rode their bikes outside again.
This is the best bike ride ever!
I'm having so much fun. Let's try faster.
Okay, but be careful. Hold on tight, Lucy. Something feels wrong. The brakes are broken. I am trying to stop. Oh no, I can't stop. Luka, I'm scared. Lucy, are you okay? Oh no, the Flovers are destroyed.
Mr. Barnes will catch us. We have to go before he comes back.
Move carefully. Wait, someone sounds hurt. It comes from Mr. Barnes's house. Did you hear that? The coughing is getting weaker. What should we do? We can't just leave. We need to help. Go straight, then turn left. I'm scared, Luka. We have to go.
No, I think someone needs help.
Look at these photos. Mr. Barnes is smiling? I can't believe it. He always looks so angry.
Water. Please give me some water.
The sound is coming from this room. Luka, she needs water. Here is your water. Please drink slowly. Are you feeling better now?
A little better. I just need to rest.
Should we call Mr. Barnes?
He went to buy my medicine. He will come back soon.
We will stay here until he comes back. Yes. You are not alone.
Thank you. I feel better now.
What happened outside? Oh, no!
Oh, hello. Is everything all right?
We are sorry, Mr. Barnes. We came into your house without asking. We heard someone calling for help. Mrs. Barnes needed water, so we came in. And it was our fault. We damaged your flowers.
We are really sorry.
Don't be angry. The kids helped me take my medicine just in time.
Flowers can grow again, but I won't forget your kindness. The flowers are for my wife to see. I want to keep quiet so she can sleep well. I don't hate kids. I just want to protect someone I love.
We understand now, Mr. Barnes. We are sorry we judged you too quickly. Yes, we are sorry. We thought you were scary, but you were just worried about Mrs. Barnes. You both look quiet tonight. Mom, we are thinking about Mr. Barnes.
We thought he was scary.
I thought he hated kids.
And what do you think now?
Now I know he was only worried about Mrs. Barnes.
He was trying to protect someone he loved.
That is why we should not judge people too quickly.
Yes, we should know their story first.
I feel sorry for judging him.
I am proud that you understand.
But I still feel bad about the flowers.
Me too. We broke his garden.
Then we can do something kind tomorrow.
What can we do, Mom?
I will bake an apple cake. Will you bring it to Mr. Barnes?
Yes, Mom. I want to say sorry again.
And I want to help him plant new flowers.
Early the next morning, Luka and Lucy carried a small gift to Mr. and Mrs. Barnes' house.
Luka, I feel a little nervous.
Me too, but we are doing the right thing.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, Mr. Barnes. We brought you an apple cake. And we want to say sorry again.
Good morning, dear children. That is very kind.
Mr. Barnes, can we help you plant the new flowers?
We want the garden to be beautiful again.
Of course. I would like that very much.
Kind hearts can make any garden bloom again.